Hello, my dearest kids. I hope that you all are doing great. So, in our last episode, I showed you how to make a lotus flower. Can you remember? Did you all make this lotus? That day I told you we are having a friend to the pond, our swan. Today, let's see how to make this swan. To make this little swan, I have taken a 15 by 15 sheet. By using that size, this is the size you are getting for this swan. Okay, my dear kids, if you need to make a bigger one, then you have to take a bigger size paper. You can change your sizes according to your choice. Now, even if you have two colors on your paper, but we need only, the visible side is only the yellow color side, right? So, you can take any kind of paper you want. Right, now we are going to make it. Now my color is yellow and white. Now I need to be my swan yellow color. So I turn this paper and fold it in half and making a triangle. As usual, now you have to press the edge and keep the open side to your side, right? Then mark the center. Now I know you can remember what we did in our previous episodes. Right. Now you mark the center. Just like the lotus, right? Okay, take the right edge onto the middle line. Same for the other side as well. Right, be careful. Maintain your neatness. Okay. Be careful with the points. Right. When we make the lotus flower, we had to unfold the petal, but now we are not doing that. Just keep it like this, and now this is the head and these are the wings. Okay. Now we are folding this to make the body. Swan's body. Right? Again, we fold the point to make the head. Then carefully fold this. Right. Press it well. Then it doesn't unfold. Slowly hold the head and pull it. Right? No need to use your scissors or nothing to do like that. Just hold the head and pull it up. If you want, you can adjust the face as well. Okay, we are done with the swan. If you want, you can paste it like this or just keep it in the standing position. If you want to make wide wings, just pull this like this. Here I have many swans here with me. Okay, now let's see how to place these swans into our pond. First of all, we have to use the glue. If you want, you can paste it in a 2D way, or just to make it 3D, you can apply gum in the bottom and keep in standing position. Okay. If you feel like that you don't have enough space to apply gum, your glue, because sometimes you feel difficult to paste it in 3D way, so then you have another way. Just make a small edge like this, right? Like a border, right? Fold it inside. Again, fold inwards. Like this. Then you can apply your glue on that border you make, right? The other border. Right. Then it's very steady and easy to paste on the paper. Then you can make sure your swan is steady, but if you pull it up, it will get removed. Anyway, it takes some time to get dried. You can use these two ways to paste your swans on your pond. Now see, our pond is very beautiful with the swans. So my darling kids, to make a beautiful creation again, be ready with a piece of paper and a glue. So my dear children, stay tuned with us. Stay safe.